good morning and welcome to another session of our chapter Carbon and its compounds. Today's topic is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In my previous video, I have mentioned about the saturated and unsaturated compounds. Now here, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So please watch my previous video. Now, what's a hydrocarbon? Do you remember it? Hydrocarbon is a compound that contains only carbon and hydrogen. As the word indicates, it contains carbon and hydrogen only. So, the simplest hydrocarbon is our methane. This is our methane molecule, CH4. It contains one carbon, and how many hydrogen atoms? 4 hydrogen atoms. We can see 4 single covalent bond in it. This is our simplest hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon is a compound consisting of carbon and hydrogen only. Okay. So this is a hydrocarbon because it contains only carbon and hydrogen. So in this molecule you can see single covalent bond between the 2 carbon atoms. So see, this is a saturated hydrocarbon. So what is a saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon is a hydrocarbon that contains only single covalent bond. Carbon atoms are linked by single covalent bond. So this is a saturated hydrocarbon. But look at this compounds. It contains how many bonds? Here is a double bond and here you can see triple bond. Hence these compounds are called, or these hydrocarbons are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. So unsaturated hydrocarbons contain double bond or triple bond. Here carbon atoms are linked by double bond. Here carbon atoms are linked by triple bond. So these are unsaturated compounds, unsaturated hydrocarbon, while this is the saturated hydrocarbons. Look at the valency of this carbon atom. This carbon atom has 1, 2, 3 and 4 valency. All other valencies are completed by hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also like this valence of carbon is completed. We are attaching hydrogen atoms to the carbon atom and the valence is completed. This is saturated hydrocarbon and these are unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now we can classify hydrocarbons into saturated and unsaturated. Let's see more about it. So, hydrocarbons can be classified as first saturated hydrocarbon and the second is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Saturated hydrocarbon contain only between the carbon atom you can see only single bond like this. Here you can see a double bond between carbon atom or triple bond between carbon atom. Okay. This type of hydrocarbon that contain only single bond between carbon atoms are called alkanes. So what are alkanes? Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon. This is a family. It contains only single covalent bond. Okay. Here this type of hydrocarbon which contain only double bond between carbon atoms are called alkenes. E-N-E. Alkenes. And this one where carbon atoms are linked by triple bonds are called alkynes. Now we are going to write the names of alkanes. The number of carbon atom is 1. The formula for that hydrocarbon, that alkane is CH4. C means only 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom. Then how can we write its name? First we have to write the root word. So for 1 carbon atom the root word is meth, M-E-T-H. Okay. Since it is an alkane, that means it contains only single bonds. We are going to write Ane. So one carbon atom, meth for one carbon atom, and ANE because it is an alkane. So the name is methane. Okay. Next, if the number of carbon atom is 2, we can write the formula as C2H6. And the root word is F4, 2 carbon atom. The number of carbon atom is 2, we are going to write F, ETH. Since it is an alkane, we are adding the suffix ANE. So, the name is ethane. Okay. Now, the number of carbon atom is 3. We are going to write the formula as C3H8. Okay. For 3 carbon atom, the root word is prop. And since it is an alkane, we are going to write the suffix as ane. Hence, the name is propane. Now, if the number of carbon atom is 4, formula becomes C4H10. And the word but for 4 carbon atom plus ane for alkane. Hence, it is a butane. Now, the carbon atom, now our alkane with 5 carbon atom. Formula is C5H12. And the name is going to be pent plus ane, that is pentane. Now, if the number of carbon atom is 6, C6H14. 6, hence it becomes hex plus ane. It is hexane. So, if the alkane has 6 carbon atoms, the name hexane. If the alkane has only 5 carbon atoms, its name is pentane. Now, carbon compound, that is alkane, has only 7 carbon atoms. We are going to write the formula as C7H16 and the name hept. It is the root word hept plus ane. Hence it is heptane. Now, the alkane with 8 carbon atom, formula is C8H18 and the name is oct plus ane, that is octane. Okay. With 9 carbon atom, we have the formula C9H20 and the word NON, non plus ane, that is nonane. Now, the carbon, that is the alkane, contains 10 carbon atom. Then the formula is C10H22 and the name dec plus ane, that is decane. These are the first 10 alkanes. So, the number of carbon atom is 1. We are adding the name meth and suffix ane. The name methane for first simplest hydrocarbon. It is the alkane. Okay, since it is alkane, we are adding ane and these are the root words. So, first carbon, alkane with only 1 carbon is methane. Second, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. These are the first 10 alkanes. You have to learn this. Okay. Now we are going to write the names of alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contains a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. So the first member of this family have 2 carbon atoms in it. Starting from 2 carbon atoms. The formula of the first member is C2H4 and the name E. This is the root word plus ene. Since it is an alkene, we are adding the suffix ene. So the name becomes ethene. Okay. So ethene is the first member of the family alkene. It has 2 carbon atoms and the carbon atoms are linked by a double bond. Now this one, number of carbon atom, if the number of carbon atom is 3, we are writing the formula C3H6 and the name prop plus ENE. The word name becomes propene. Okay. If it is 4, we are writing the name but plus ENE. But for 4 carbon atoms. So the name becomes butene. Okay. If the number of carbon atom is 5, pent. Pent is the root word plus ENE. So it is pentene. If the number of carbon atom is 6, formula is C6H12. So the word for 6, hex plus ENE, and it is hexene. If the alkene has 7 carbon atoms in it, formula becomes C7H14, and we are going to write the name as hept plus ENE. ENE, since it is an alkene, then it becomes heptene, heptene. If it contains 8 carbon atom, formula becomes C8H16 and oct plus ENE, that is octene. And it is 9, C9H18 is the formula, and we are going to write non plus ENE, non-E. Okay. Next is 10 carbon atom. C10H20, and it is dec plus ENE, decene. Okay, these are the names of alkene. Ethene for 2 carbon atom. Alkene having 2 carbon atom. It is the first member. Ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene and decene. These are the first 10 alkenes. We are going to write the names of alkynes. What are alkynes? Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain a triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So the first member contains how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. Okay. This is the formula for first carbon atom of alkyne, C2H2. Since 2 carbon atoms is present, F plus YNE, that is ethyne. If the alkene contains 3 carbon atom, formula becomes C3H4 and name prop plus YNE, that is propyne. If the alkene has 4 carbon atoms, but plus YNE, that is butyne, YNE. If it has 5 carbon atom, formula becomes C5H8, that is pent plus YNE, that is pentine. 6 carbon atom, C6H10, hex plus YNE. Names become hexine. If the alkene has 7 carbon atoms, formula becomes C7H12 and it becomes hept plus YNE, heptine. If the alkene has 8 carbon atom, C8H14 is its formula and the name becomes oct plus YNE, that is octine. And the name for alkene having 9 carbon atom, that is formula is C9H16, non plus YNE, that is nonine. And with the 10 carbon atom, the formula is C10H18, dec plus YNE, and it is decine, CYNE. Okay, ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane, heptane, octane, nonane and decyne. These are the first 10 members of the family alkyne. In this way, we can write the names of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. I will be back with another topic. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.